say this gate going forward freaks me out. I know it's just like a scale or a wheel wash or something like that. It's easier to back through stuff like that because you can see it clearly in your mirror. That was easy. I'm just a chicken. Okay, cool. We made it. There we go. Water's rolling off the top of my truck. That's funny. Okay, cool. Good to go. That was more uneventful than it was eventful. So I guess that is the positive thing today, because I was a little worried that that was going to get sketchy.